Hi there, welcome back. Great to have you here. Hey plant lover, how you doing? I'm sure things are great. Today, what do we have? We have purple heart, or for some of you, purple queen. Basically, Tradescantia pallida. I've been planning to propagate this beautiful scrambling plant for a long time, and I added a bit of twist to the whole process. I started 4 cuttings, 2 in water and 2 in soil, just to have an idea how different these two media would work on fresh cuttings. And by the end of this video, we will know which one is better, faster, and should be a preferred medium. Let us begin. Yes, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Here are first 2 cuttings and we will start them in soil. Remove just a pair of leaves and the cutting is ready. Soil mix is pretty simple. Add equal parts of sand and cocopeat and now gently set the cuttings in the pot. And these are the cuttings we will start in water. Now the major difference while you get the cuttings ready for water propagation is this: get more internodes. Basically remove a couple of pairs of leaves, longer stems, that means. After 2 weeks, we have something to observe. The water propagation station was on a windowsill, no direct sunlight, and the other station was in a shaded spot outside. I see there is no significant shoot growth in water, whereas the cuttings and soil are doing great in terms of new leaves. So I would sure advise you to do it in soil, of course, faster, better, and should be a preferred method. Another difference to be observed after 3 weeks. The cuttings in the soil are looking like young plants already, with new leaves, thicker color, and great roots. In water, the leaves have turned all green and roots too are scanty looking. So again, soil should be the preferred medium. This is the time you can repot them, and by all means together in a soil mix that is 70% sand and 30% garden soil, and put them in a shaded spot outside for 2 days and then let them be in the sun. Also, now they have the same conditions. The cuttings propagated in water would also pick up their original color and growth rate given the right amount of sun and good soil mix. So from here on, all 4 cuttings would do great. So don't worry about their survival. So the verdict is out. If you have time and want it easy, use water to start purple heart cuttings. But if you wish to be faster and better, then start them in soil. That brings us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like and share. Yes, hit that subscribe button too and press the notification bell so that you don't miss updates on this channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care and stay safe. I'll be back soon with another video. Cheers. Goodbye.